Deadly bacterial infection is making its way through a Berkeley homeless encampment. As KTVU's Henry Lee explains, city officials are asking those at the camp to move.
We found 3-year-old Sylvia the pit bull roaming around a large homeless encampment near 7th and Harrison in West Berkeley, ground zero for a bacterial outbreak that has affected rats and dogs. The city wants those living at the camp to move. But Sylvia's owner, who wished to be identified as Popcorn, says he's not worried.
Paul's program came down and vaccinated her, and then came back with a booster shot.
The city of Berkeley said many rats and 2 5-month-old puppies were believed to have been infected by leptospirosis, also known as lepto. One of the dogs had to be put down. Lepto is a disease that can be fatal to humans and dogs who are exposed to rat urine in water or mud. City says the rats have made it unsafe for homeless camps in an area bounded by San Pablo Avenue, Gilman Street, Codornices Creek, and the railroad tracks.
It is an infection that's found here in the United States, but it's associated often with homelessness and homeless encampment.
UCSF infectious disease expert Dr. Monica Gandhi says as a result, the unhoused are particularly vulnerable.
Fortunately, that's where the rats are, wandering, and it basically gets into the soil from the urine. And then that's how it gets picked up for humans.
We found what appeared to be a dead rat along Harrison. Cause of death unknown.
I think it's fictitious. I don't think it's real.
This man, who wanted to be identified only as Tree, says he's formerly homeless. He said he doesn't believe city public health officials are concerned for their welfare.
They're lying.
Why?
Because they don't look out for everybody's health down here. Lifelong comes down here and takes care of them. The city doesn't have anything to do with it.
Berkeley cannot clear the encampment because of an ongoing battle in federal court. But the city's asking those at the camp to move at least 1/3 of a mile away from the Harrison Street corridor. Mark Gattini was dropping off material from UC Berkeley at the nearby post office, but said he wasn't worried about any exposure.
Not really, no. I use PPE and I don't have direct contact with anything, so I feel like I'm fairly safe.
It's a good idea, I guess. I don't know. I don't know where to move, though. That's the problem. Like, where do I go? Like, where am I supposed to go?
Where are they going to...